Let's go into the chats now so that when you do open up a chat, you can see kind of what I did with the hybrid system. So this is the chat interface, and this has a hybrid system. What I wanted to do with the hybrid system, or my idea with the hybrid system, is that you can have your chat interface here. So this is your whole chat that you had. But this over here is going to give you kind of a preview and a summary of this specific chat. And then I kind of made a little fun thing where you could have a little intro about what this chat is, and gives you the AI summary, and kind of cycles through and gives you the summary. This is your scrubber, so you can kind of go through any section on the scrubber, and it's going to highlight that specific section within the chat so that you know where it is if you're looking for it specifically. If you want to custom highlight within here, so let's just say we wanted to highlight, let's just say Maxis. It's going to highlight that in the chat for you automatically so that you see that, and then you can add that here, and that'll highlight that through all of the chat for you if you'd like. And you can change that to any color that you want. So it will just, actually, let me go in here and we'll change it. So we'll pick a new color here, and then let's just make it green, and then we'll change it into Maxis, and then you can see where it'll pull up there in green, and then you can add that here into the section. Conversation flow is basically just kind of giving you an idea of what you were talking about, a pattern analysis, and the recommended next steps that you may have. So this is going to go down by chronological order within the key topics discussed within this specific chat. If there were any questions that were specifically asked within here, and then solutions and answers that you'll get, and then key insights that also tie into another area that we'll get into here in a second. So that is the hybrid system. If you don't want to see the hybrid system, you can just go full screen, and then you've got that back. But the hybrid system for me just kind of makes it easier to kind of look at chats and kind of get a better organization of what was going on here, and a preview window over here, and then I can custom highlight things over there. So that's kind of like the idea for the preview of the chats.